Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea, a setup and trade plan for Wednesday, October 31st, Halloween 2018. Today's featured trade will be AGX, Argon, but before we do that, let's look at those markets. I want to warn you, yes, we had a nice day. We had a very nice day for the bulls, especially after at lunchtime it looked like the bears were going to drive price on down again. But this is just a nice day, not even a signal, not even a candle signal, in a bearish trend, and we have not even tested the trend line. We may have tested it or be testing it in the diamonds. Q's not even close. IWM not even close. So you need to keep that all in mind. This is just a nice day in a bearish trend. And pre-markets are looking bullish, but that does not mean a thing. We have got no confirmation. We're going to try something different today. My partner Rick would like to plan a trade on a 2-day chart, a little bit longer time focus, so that's what we're doing. AGX has got a nice little J-hook that it's broken out of. I suppose if you squint correct, you squint the right way, you might be able to see this as a shoulder and a big head and then a shoulder. But I'm going to just call that a J-hook that we've broken out of now. And on the 2-day chart, you can see that we've got some fairly well-defined targets up in there. I'm sorry for the dogs. My wife keeps putting them downstairs while I'm recording. We can see that earnings are out of the way. We've got 4 bullish, well, it's going to be December, the first week of December. 4 bullish and 2 bearish indications or conditions. Let's look for an entry about 45.35 and a stop about 44 and a nickel. With a first target up here about 48.95 and that second target about well, the 51.25, but we would run into the 200 before that. Again, remember that we're on a 2-day chart is what we're planning this off of. So you need to bear that in mind. Personally, I would have to manage it off of a 2-day chart if that's where I was. I would have to manage it off 2 days since I'm planning off 2 days. Now we see that 100 shares is way too big, although we've only got $130 risk to stop out. That's way too big for this account. I'm going to assume you have a different account size anyway, so I'm just going to let this ride for now. If we sold 50 shares at that first target, we would get 2.77 to 1. And if we sold the remaining 50 at that second target, that would give us a nice little 13% pop, 365 to 1 overall reward risk, and a $475 trade. So that will be our trade idea for today. Again, please bear in mind the volatile bearish market that we are in. And this is a long. Also bear in mind that this is being planned off of a 2-day chart, which is not our normal process. It's just something that Rick wanted to do today. And so that's what we will go with. If you do take this trade, I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the trading room.